This AI video generator does what most paid tools can't, and it's completely free and unlimited. No watermarks, no cost, just stunning videos and images created in seconds. It's called Veer AI, and let me show you how powerful it really is, starting with image generation. The interface is super simple, just one prompt box. You might see a pricing tab in the menu, but don't worry. The free forever plan gives you unlimited access to everything I'm showing. Image and video generation, with no limits and no watermarks. Try this prompt. A majestic tiger on a lotus throne surrounded by glowing lanterns in a misty bamboo forest at sunrise. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, hit generate. And here's what came out. The details are stunning, and the image is completely unique. I tried a few other prompts, and each result was just as impressive. And here's the best part. You can download every image in high resolution. No watermark, no credit card, no catch. And honestly, the quality is more than enough for 99% of creative projects. If you ever need faster speeds, there are Pro and Max plans available, but you don't need them to create stunning images and videos. The free and unlimited AI video generator is coming up shortly, and it's seriously impressive. But first, let me show you a few creative features that make Veer so powerful. Let's start with the image-to-image tool. You can upload any image, a quick notebook doodle, a vacation photo, even a screenshot from a game, and with a single prompt, transform it into something completely new. Let me upload this image from my previous video. Here's the video I'm referring to. Now I will just enter a prompt with the style I want. A vibrant CGI image of a cheerful young girl with a ponytail sitting beside a bunny. And that's all it takes. Here's the result. How cool is that? If you want to take things even further and keep the original image intact while giving it a whole new style, the FLUX context editor is the perfect tool. You just upload any image, enter a simple prompt, and let the AI do the rest. Let's upload this image. Then in the prompt box, I will enter. Transform this into Studio Ghibli style. Hit generate, and that's it. It's quick, easy, and works surprisingly well. Here's the final result. And here's a side-by-side comparison with the original image. How cool is that? I also tried out a few other styles using different prompts. Here are the results along with the styles they are in. The layout and structure stay the same, but the mood, lighting, and overall shifts completely to match your prompt. It's a powerful way to explore different creative directions, all from a single image. The context editor can also remove objects from your images. Let's say you got a great vacation photo, but want to remove this girl from it. No problem. Just upload your image in the context editor, and in the prompt box, type something like, "Remove the girl from the image." Click generate, and that's it. No Photoshop needed. No messy edits or blurry patches. Just a clean, natural-looking result. It's fast, it's free, and it can save you a ton of time, whether you're editing for clients, creating content for social media, or designing thumbnails. Next, let's take a quick look at the background remover, a seriously useful tool if you are designing thumbnails, product shots, or client graphics. Just upload your image, pick your background color, or go with transparent like I'm doing here. Then hit remove background. In seconds, you will get a clean cutout with a transparent background, no watermarks, no limits, and totally free to use as many times as you want. Next, let's try the anime portrait generator. It transforms your selfie into a full-on anime character with just one click. Simply upload a photo, choose a style. I will go with pop art, and let the AI do the rest. In just seconds, you'll have your own custom anime avatar, perfect for social media or just for fun. The results aren't always perfect, but it's a fun, free tool to play around with. No cost, no hassle, just creativity. And finally, if you ever wondered how you'd look with a completely different hairstyle, the AI Hairstyle Changer makes it easy to find out. Just upload your photo, then browse through a variety of trendy styles, including both female and male cuts. Or head to the color tab and pick a shade you like. Let's pick this hairstyle and hit generate. In seconds, you will see yourself with a brand new look. No scissors, no regrets. It's the perfect way to try before you trim, and maybe even discover your next real-life hairstyle. Now for the unlimited image-to-video generator. And it's just as impressive as it sounds. This tool lets you take any image, whether you made it in Veer or uploaded your own, and bring it to life with smooth, cinematic motion. Let me show you how it works by uploading this image I created. A knight in dark armor standing on a battlefield at dawn. Once the image is uploaded, the basic image prompt is automatically generated, and the video prompt is optional. I will leave everything as is and just hit generate. In a few seconds, that static image is transformed into a dynamic animated scene, full of atmosphere and depth. It genuinely feels like a scene straight out of a movie. Now a quick heads up. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get the perfect animation. But honestly, for a completely free tool with no watermarks, that's a small trade-off. So, that's the video generator. Now let's check out a few more tools that are just as fun and powerful to play with. First up is the realistic headshot generator. If you need a profile photo that actually looks professional without hiring a photographer, just upload your selfie. I will upload this AI-generated image. Then pick a style from the preset options. Let's choose this one. You may also add your own preferences, like background details, facial expression, clothing, and more details like lighting, skin texture, and more. Then click Generate. In just seconds, you'll get a photorealistic headshot. The preview might look a little artificial, but once you upload your real photo, the results are much more accurate and natural looking. It's perfect for websites, profiles, or anywhere you want to showcase yourself in different styles with zero hassle. Got a pet? You're going to love this, the AI Pet Portrait Generator. Just upload a photo of your dog, cat, or even your hamster, and pick a fun theme, like royal outfit, astronaut, or samurai. Let's go with Western cowboy. You may also enter custom details like character, background, and dress to define your own style. Then hit Generate and watch your pet get transformed. From warrior cats to rockstar cats, the possibilities are endless. You can also customize the theme to match your pet's personality. Honestly, this tool is a hidden gem. From stunning images and animated videos to powerful editing tools and creative generators, it's hard to believe it's all completely free, with no watermarks and no limits. If this video helped you out, drop a like, share it with someone who's just getting started, and subscribe for practical, no-fluff AI tutorials that actually work. Thanks for watching. Next, you can check out these videos.